Right now, several court cases in Cobb County are struggling to make progress. This is all because of a software conversion that started back in June. Employees are now relying on manually keeping track of those court records. As 11 Alive's Joe Ripley reports tonight, a judge issued an emergency notice in response to the slowdown.
At Cobb County Superior Court, cases usually move like clockwork, but those cases, just like time, can come to a standstill. A software conversion caused a lot of confusion and inaccuracies in electronic filing. Emory law professor Jonathan Nash says the issue affects judges, attorneys, and civil and criminal defendants.
And I may have to know when something else happened. I may have to access the court files to know that. And I can't do that. Well, then I don't know what the deadline is. And if the deadline passes, that can have ramifications. I've lost the chance to make an argument.
Chief Judge A. Gregory Poole calls this a constitutional issue that could disrupt due process. He declared a judicial emergency for 30 days, allowing for deadline extensions to court proceedings.
We just don't have any faith that the system right now is working. And if we didn't take the time to backtrack and look at this, a bench warrant would have issued. He would have been arrested and taken to jail and held for who knows how long, because he missed a court date he knew nothing about.
Attorney Tom Salata says he's been left in the dark for weeks now because of the e-filing switch, which started back in June.
It's going to fix some things and it's going to help some things, but these are going to be problems we're going to be dealing with for a long time.
Meantime, Superior Court employees are left to manually process paper copies of the files. Instead of a quick search, attorneys now have to call the judge's chambers or Superior Court clerk to get answers. Nash says that gums up and erodes trust in the court system, which could take a lot more time to rebuild. In Cobb County, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
So once again, the emergency notice lasts for 30 days. The chief judge says that he will give 1 week's notice to either lift or extend that notice.